Iran has organized the first international conference on border security and sustainable development along borders. The day-long event brought together security and border officials, as well as experts and specialists of respective organizations, to find a practical solution to develop border potentials for economic development and ensure the security and stability of border areas in the face of threats.
According to officials, border security cannot be fully ensured unless all neighboring countries sharing borders with Iran live up to their own commitments as well and join hands in bringing peace and security along borders.
Addressing the opening ceremony, Iran's interior minister said Tehran is ready to enhance border security cooperation with Pakistan in a bid to ensure the security of the two countries' frontiers.
Negotiations with Pakistan's government officials have been promising, and the circumstances on adopting mutual measures are being surveyed. In case Pakistan's government could not embark on a mission for any reason, Iran is ready to conduct operations against the terrorists. If they give us a green light, we have the power to attack the terrorists operating beyond the borders.
The minister was referring to the terrorist camps on Pakistani soil, which have claimed responsibility for kidnapping Iranian border guards on October 16th. 12 Iranian border guards, including local Basij volunteer forces at a border post in the city of Mirjava, southeast Iran, were abducted on October 16th by the so-called Jaish-ul-Adl terror group, which is based in Pakistan. The Pakistani side says it has freed 5 of the guards, but they have not returned to Iran yet.
Fulfilling border diplomacy is the sole solution to improve disparities and provide security at the border lines. The capacities of border diplomacy should be used because the lives of the Iranian border guards are more important than anything else. Although Pakistan has announced that 5 of the kidnapped guards have been released, Iran is doing all in power in line with releasing all kidnapped Iranian border guards.
Being situated at a strategic location, Iran faces threats of terrorist infiltration and drug traffickers, mainly from its long eastern borders shared by Pakistan and Afghanistan. Almost 4,000 Iranian soldiers have been killed so far in the fight against drug traffickers. Moreover, Pakistan-based terrorist groups have for several times kidnapped Iranian border guards. Samal Kujuri, Press TV, Tehran.